Hi, I'm Jennifer Young, and I am the founder and CFO of Elite Pro Home Cleaning. So Elite Pro Home Cleaning is a residential and commercial cleaning company that has been servicing the San Mateo County for over 15 years. Our goal is to bring peace of mind to our customers. We are licensed, bonded, and insured, and all of our employees work directly for us, which means that they're covered under our workers' compensation insurance policy. In addition, we take great pride in providing high-quality customer service, great quality cleans, and consistency. And to do this, we provide training for all of our cleaners so that they clean every home the same way each time.
One of the most important aspects is the tenure of our employees. We usually clean in teams of 2 with a team leader and a partner. To be a team leader, they have to be with our company for at least 4 years to be a team lead. This ensures that they're professional and that they're experienced. And they come to the house and build that relationship with our customers. And what happens is that every time we come, the clean gets better and better. As our teams get to know the house, especially our team lead, and know the customer's tendencies, they will basically customize their clean to exactly what the customer is looking for. And we try to provide that service every single time.
Elite Pro Home Cleaning uses green cleaning products to clean your home because it's good for the earth and it's good for your home. And we also bring all cleaning supplies necessary to clean your home, so you don't have to worry about going out to buy anything, towels, sponges, everything. We'll bring all of those for you. However, if there is something that you in particular would like us to use, we're more than happy to do that as well. We just ask that you leave it out for the cleaners and with instructions on how to use it.
Please give Elite Pro Home Cleaning a call. I'd be happy to come out and give you a free in-home estimate, and we can start cleaning your house today.